Hi all, I try to present my book in this limited time, although I would probably love to talk an hour about it because I just love it. This is the book which I coincidentally took from Päivi, but I loved it from the first glance, I would say. It's called Rework and done by two software company founders, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen. In their company, they intentionally want to be small and help small businesses to do things easily. And I think this common sense idea is one of those leading ideas through the whole book itself as well. And the book consists of ideas for the whole range of business, but if we take especially things related to leadership, I would say people, I would say hiring is one of those themes, and they suggest that whenever you are hiring, work yourself first if it's only possible, because then you would know what you would need on the position and to do the work, or at least you should involve a person actually doing the job to the recruiting process. Then they give ideas on remote working and organization spread worldwide, because they themselves are spread in many continents. And they suggest that only few overlap hours per day are just fine to do the work if you just trust your employees, and that would actually then allow the employees to have more alone time. And the alone time, I love the idea, because that means the working time when you can concentrate on your work without interruptions. And they go so far that even there should be rules of no talk hours or no email hours if it doesn't happen naturally, so that it would be done to happen, that everyone can concentrate on their work. But then they also arrange few face-to-face meetings for the whole personnel to meet a few times a year, which helps them to feel together, although they are spread in many places. But then they talk about this rockstar environment, which I really loved. And this goes to the same theme, which this whole book is saying, that empty words or empty ideas, these are useless. And they say that instead of looking after rock stars or ninjas, you should create a rockstar environment yourself, where the people are allowed to do the great job they would naturally like to do. And it's developed out of trust, autonomy, and responsibility, which is resulting of giving people privacy, workspace, and tools they reserve. And I then read a small quote from the book. But there's a ton of untapped potential trapped under lame policies, poor direction, and stifling bureaucracies. Cut the crap and you will find that people are waiting to do great work. They just need to be given the chance. And I agree very much on that. And then there's a chapter called They Are Not 13. So they say that when you treat people like children, you will get children's work. In many companies, many managers treat their workers so that they are saying actually out loud that I don't trust you. Approvals and permissions are needed in every possible thing. So is it really worth it? No, it's not. And that leads also to monitoring people even more, and that costs. And they are asking that, is it really worth it? The IT, which is doing the surveillance, could be doing something productive on that time also. So actually not trusting your employees will actually cost you a lot. Yes, trust, common sense, humanity, respect, I think those are the leading ideas in this book, and as I said, I love it a lot and really recommend it for everyone, not only the management, because it's really common sense and nice to read also. Thank you.